final of the day is the TDC AA Junior Boys City Championship between Brebeuf College, wearing red, black, and white, and Chaminade College, the defending champs, in the gold jerseys. Let's get it started. Brebeuf swings it all the way across the pitch to the wing to Josiah Mora, who takes it deep into Griffin's territory, but he's stopped and wrestled down short of the area. Minutes later, the Bulls get on the board as Lucas Latina plucks it out of the ruck and barges in for the try to give Brebeuf a 5-0 lead, and the convert was good to make it 7-0. Shortly after Brebeuf launches it ahead, the Bulls track it down like they are literally running through the streets of Spain as Captain Michael Wong flattens the Chaminade player. Then Eric Ursik scoops it up and takes it to the house to make it a 2-possession game. The convert was good as Brebeuf led it 14-0 heading into the second half, where Ursik takes it for the Bulls, but the ball is snatched out of his hands by Luca D'Aquila, who takes it the other way for the Griffins. He goes down, but Chaminade steps up as Paulo Caprera gets his hands on it, bounces to the outside, and he's not going to stop until he gets his team on the board, and that's exactly what Caprera does as he cuts the lead to 14-5 with the try, but Chaminade missed the convert, failing to make it a 1-possession game. Later in the half, Brebeuf had a penalty attempt to make it 17-5, but Declan de Guevea drills it wide as it remained a 9-point game. But Brebeuf eventually drove it deep into Chaminade territory again, and with a chance to put the game out of reach, Luke Johnson knocks down the door for the try to make it 19-5, and they tacked on the extra 2 as Brebeuf College wins it 21-5 and are crowned Junior Boys champs.
Weather was hard to play. It was wet conditions, hard to pass the ball around. We started off kind of bad. They got 2 tries on us. One was earned, one was kind of our mistakes.
I feel amazing. We definitely worked hard for it, and it's a good undefeated season.
That's it for today's show. We'll be back next week with finals action.